YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the pill crusher. If you have a loved one that uses NG tube or PEG tube or G tube, or any of the elderly parents or grandparents that cannot swallow the big pill, you need to have this. So by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. It's quite expensive. So my wife got the same model as the one that they use at the hospital. And then they also come with a bag. So yeah, I'm going to unbox it and test out on this vitamin C pills. So let's go ahead and open this up. It's called the Silent Night and SK-0500-LMP Pill Crusher. So this one is a US patent number right here. Says this is a set, do not separate. So this one comes with the 100 of the pill crusher pouch. And right here is the instruction, cleaning and maintenance instruction here. So you will need to send in this warranty card. It's pretty quite heavy. So right here's the stopper. You put the pills in there. So yeah, you need to put your pill inside the pouch. Then insert the pouch in there and then crush it. See if I could get one out and demonstrate for you guys to check it out. It says tear here, but so this is what's the bag look like. Going to open this up, put the pills in here. By the way, the bag is pretty thick. Wow, so easy. It's almost like a powder already. So if you want to have a fine crush, you want to go ahead and move the bag while you are crushing it. You want to go ahead and move up and down slowly and slowly, because some of the hard crumb on the pill, it didn't smash it correctly because of this groove on this ouch plate. So yeah, just go up and down a couple times slowly while you move the bag upward or go back downward again. If you want to super fine like this. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.